just made me want to hire you for my anniversary. But I like your voice control. I enjoy the gospel feel that you employed in every time I close my eyes. That performance should move you from the fabulous four into the terrific three.
Yes, really a pleasing sound. The tone rich. There's something about when all female choirs sing and that bond of the voices really nice. There's a nice mashup at work. In the thing, the medley was nice, but one of my big moments was when you went into this big sound that all my life that part just said yes. So you hear everybody at home, I go bap bap. Really nice.
Yes, Bishop Gibson on Aguan. Let me say that again with a slight uptown accent. Ono Aguan. It's awesome. Really, really nice. I tell you every week, though, that I love how you guys sound when you blend, and I love it. It's beautiful, and I'm so happy that you're here.